On March 21st, 2020,
it looked like bro was strangling shorty.
Again, you may recognize him from a previous
Officer
Sparky.
Sparky.
But this time, on the 400 block of East Baltimore Street, one of the patrons of one of the local
Didn't they
clubs
call
decided he would punch a beautiful
Sparky, one of them guys off of SpongeBob?
This
like
fine,
Sparky.
city-employed man then went down to the
SpongeBob movie.
jail. Remember to support the channel by liking the video, and maybe even consider becoming a paid
Holiday
for only $1 a month.
And what? Where the fuck are they at? Holiday Street? That's by Baltimore Street, right?
Hey, drop it!
All he doing is holding her. Damn!
You miss like a motherfucker.
Yo said you miss like a motherfucker. What he thought he was about to taser shorty?
He run up on me. I had to pee. Shit. Man, you talking about my ass? I said I had to pee.
So they arguing over she had to pee? Yo said you missed. Yo went straight up.
25.
Damn, yo, I think I know Officer Sparky.
Are you good, sir?
Goofy ass.
My name's Officer Pierre. Everything's
They call that nigga Sparky because his ass stay tasing niggas. That's his problem.
I'm telling him he supposed
Hey. That's it. You're in custody right now. Can I lift you up?
Yeah.
All right.
He put my hat on me. I ain't that motherfucker.
Hey, but at least Sparky believe in tasing motherfuckers more than shooting. You know what I mean? So you gotta respect it.
You're striking 2 people, brother.
2 people?
Yes, sir. It's on camera, brother.
He struck 1 person, bro.
I'm gonna get you a medic.
Well, he ain't even striking. He had her against the wall like
Okay, you were tased.
she was over there kicking them little heels.
You got an ID on you, brother?
Yeah, you ain't gotta do all that, man.
Is it on here?
That's
I
money.
don't even know why they tased him.
ID, brother.
They could have grabbed him up for real. I'll for the whole tasing nigga shit real quick. Tase his ass, but
No.
I'd have just pepper sprayed both of them. Man, bitch. Fuck is wrong with you, Sean? You can't be sitting there trying to harass the homie and not get sprayed down too.
He's in custody, He's in custody.
That's right, homie. Stand right there, yo. Defend your bro, yo. That's fucked up how he just tased his ass, though. He ain't had to tase him at that time. Okay, they about to go dumb and stupid out this bitch. Fuck is you talking about? Okay. Yeah, you see what's going on. You about to get beat the fuck up out here, police officers. Baltimore turning to Baltimore real quick.
We're gonna put you in a car because there's too much.
He about to get shit started out here. You see? Yeah.
Everything's in your pocket. Everything's in your
They
pocket.
trying to get him up in the car real quick. They like, bro, you about to start a whole ride out this bitch.
You got your phone and then you got all your stuff in this pocket, sir. All right.
Y'all didn't have to tase me though, man.
Brother, you can dispute that later, okay? For right now, we're gonna get you looked at by the medic, and that's it, okay?
I don't need no medic.
Can you step inside, please, sir?
It's good.
You get tased, you need a medic, bro. Unless they ain't tase you good. They got you on the side. No, 9 times out of 10, you pee.
That's just policy.
Anything you holding is
no weapons on you, sir.
you had the boo-boo.
Right.
Boy, you better change them drawers.
I'm not
Keep
one
on.
of check my wallet. I work for the city.
Nigga, you got a chain on your neck. Bro, it feel like your shit burning. You like,
Keys are right here, brother, okay? So I'm gonna take
Make sure my wallet.
you got your money right here, and your wallet right here, okay?
No, I got Gucci glasses too.
mm.
Yeah. Bro, wait.
With the Gucci's.
I have your phone and your keys.
I wasn't on no bullshit, man. Look, that's my brother calling.
Niggas done got him for the Gucci's.
You know you ain't had to use that though,
You can
yo.
dispute whatever you got to, man, okay?
I'm not disputing nothing.
That's fine. So
Look,
go back
why
to
you
your
doing that? Look at that yellow card in there.
What
I
yellow
work for the city, man.
Damn.
Yes.
And bro work for the city. Damn, tase a city worker.
Nah, he tried to.
Did he cause any injury on you?
Nah, hell nah.
All right. But would you like to identify you as a victim?
But I ain't no snitch, bro.
There you go. There you go, dumbass. You ain't no snitch, bro. That nigga, you know what I'm saying? He ain't hit you none of that, bro. Don't give him no more charges on me. Fuck, handle that shit when he get out. Motherfuckers up, cuz.
Come on, I didn't take my car. This is my cousin's car.
Where the glasses was on the ground. That's what I'm asking you.
Okay. Ma'am, just answer the question.
How am I gonna know?
That's all.
I have my license plate. I can give it to you. Can you please
Damn,
look at
shorty,
the
you got your
license-
belly all
the
hanging
glasses?
out?
I promise you.
Look at all them. Damn. Why you getting on the ground, shorty?
Bro, I'm not playing. It's literally glasses, like eyeglasses.
She got on them knees real quick.
Ownership by
the license plate
by
is
checking
6.
a license plate. We're not saying
We ain't gonna say too much.
About glasses, ma'am.
Bro, it's my glasses. I had them on before I came here. I had pictures.
You trying to take?
Please don't let my cousin.
Can you get up, ma'am?
No, he's not going to jail. He's not going to jail.
Can you please get up?
Listen, they talking about.
He going to jail.
Ma'am, can you please get
Bro,
up?
my aunt is not. I can't. My cousin, my auntie gonna hate me. I don't want my auntie to hate me.
Your auntie gonna hate you. You got nephew locked up.
My auntie literally, she's in South Carolina.
Oh, South Carolina.
My name is Sean. I got my social.
You got your social, your peanut butter and jelly. You got the rolls. You ready to eat. You prepared, shawty.
Who took the
She got that whole picnic basket sitting there.
All right, hey brother. So let's witness.
It's all good. You didn't have to tell. All you had to say was chill out. You didn't.
Yeah, he ain't had to do all that, you heard me. Yeah, that's real. Sparky. You spark shit up out this bitch.
Bro, let me do my process, please.
Yo, why did you tase me? All you had to say was chill out.
My man heard about that.
Can I please do my process, sir?
He probably feeling that.
Obviously, there's a destruction of property in reference to this. You said these are Versace?
They Gucci.
Oh, Gucci. Oh, no. Who broke them?
He stepped on them on purpose, it looks like.
Oh.
They cost $650. I work for the city. Look at my wallet.
$650?
Are these reading like for you to see?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put them in. So obviously.
Man, he need them to see.
Look at my wallet. You got my wallet, don't you?
He'll say, yeah.
I only took your ID.
I work for the city, man. I'm not no.
So unfortunately at this time, so you are going to be placed in custody.
Hopefully you keep saying you work for the city, man. Hopefully you don't get fined or no dumb shit. I don't think so, though. Causing a ruckus in your city. City worker.
He's going to review my body camera and then go from there, okay?
I'm not worried about none of that, man.
Okay, I got you, man. I'm not saying you're
we can let all.
Hey, yo, why the fuck does all them goddamn police vehicles? I don't know if y'all been in one before.
I
ain't trying to say
that's it.
like I know personally, but I've seen it.
I got you.
That sticker right there, Pro
No
Guard.
one's saying otherwise, so I get it. But
They all got that shit in there for some reason. Man, nobody give a fuck what kind of goddamn protection shit that shit got. Don't give a fuck who it is. Pro Guard, Soap Guard, Army Force. Fuck that damn shit.
I'm gonna put these over here, so I'll take a picture of them afterwards if that's it.
Niggas don't even want to be in the back of that motherfucker.
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you tell me to chill before you tase me?
So sir, obviously it's now going to be an active investigation, but I will advise on my camera caught me saying multiple times, hey. But you guys at that point, it's called.
Yo, say hey.
Due to the fact that you guys were.
Wait, hold up. When the motherfucker was walking up on him,
you didn't hear.
He said, "Hey, excuse me, hey." He did repeat it like once or twice, but man, who the fuck can hear that shit when y'all arguing, bro? You ain't even walk up to him and say, "Hey, you stop!" Like break it up, but none of that. You just whipped the tase out.
It's not even that big of a
Bow. He was like, "Oh."
Just give me a second, okay, sir?
It's not that big.
That was the randomest tase I've ever seen. Someone please call 911.
She probably just want to put it in my pocket.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Okay.
Yeah, that's Holiday Street.
Not that big of a deal, man. Look.
Well, let's go with this. We can still talk. brother.
That's just a little further down. That's right there by Baltimore.
So it's my observation, sir. It's what I observed. I was right here, parked right here.
You're gonna write down what you say.
They be lit down that motherfucker. All the strip clubs, all the bars, corners, they all on that block.
She's departed the scene.
You be like,
you need to ask her, what did I say?
I'm surprised you don't see nothing walking up and down the street right now.
I feel like you just trying to say yourself because you tased me.
No, sir, that's impossible.
He say you trying to save yourself.
It's right there, sir.
I'm not gonna sue you.
Is that good on that left side?
Come here, come on, yo.
Nigga, look. Listen here, my brother. Hey, homie, look. We all say, yo, what's your badge number? We gonna sue.
That's fine.
And I forgot what's the other one. But 9 times out of 10, bro. I don't know why, but we don't never sue.
Oh my gosh.
We ain't no bitch ass niggas. I understand that, but sometimes we need to sue the police. Fuck the police. When we say we gonna sue the motherfucker. Because every time when niggas say, yeah, I'ma sue, what's your badge number? Police don't give a fuck. What you gonna sue? Ha ha ha, here you go. Try it. Try me. You get what I'm saying? Sue that bitch, like you said you was. You asked for his badge number, why you think they so quick? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 4. Damn, you remember that shit because why? They know you don't give a fuck. It's gonna be on your paperwork. Go ahead. Knowing they was wrong, you are more so knowing that you was wrong, and you just so happy to get the fuck up out of there when it's time. You ain't trying to see the courthouse, the court people, the police officers. You don't want any no more trouble. You like, man, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? You end up just letting that shit be. But the whole time you could have won that. Cha-ching. You feel me? But hey, man, thanks for coming to watch this reaction with Big Migo, man. Hey, don't forget that raffle, y'all. Don't forget the raffle. You know, man, just like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you ain't subscribed already, put your name in that raffle. Get that easy cash. Hey, yeah. Till next time. Peace.